Recently, I have made a video on 20 English words for beginners, and some of you have requested me that I should make a video on words for intermediate learners. So here I am with 15 English words for intermediate English learners. So be with me. My name is Trilekha. I make videos on English lessons, personality development, work from home ideas, and a lot more. And you're watching my channel, Lot to Learn. Number one on my list is context. Context means the situation in which something happens, the situation that helps to understand something in a better way. So in other way, you can say it's a fundamental way of understanding people or situation. Example sentence: our rituals and values are extremely important in the context of Indian culture. Say for example, someone asks you, what are your plans? So you can ask that in what context you're asking about. That means in what relation you're asking about. Are you asking about my career plans? Are you asking about my personal life goals? So this way you can use this word. Here this word is used as noun. Now in English, almost all the words can be used as verb, adjective, adverb and verb. So if you do not know about this concept, you can let me know in the comment. I'll put a separate video for that. Before I go ahead with the second word, I want to tell you about 21-day English learning challenge on my channel that we are going to begin from 10th January 9 p.m. So if you are at intermediate level or even if you are a beginner, these 21 days are going to be extremely beneficial for you. So stay tuned with me from 10th January at 9 p.m. every day. Another one is uphold. Uphold here is used as verb. Uphold means to state or to declare that a decision has already been made, especially in the favor of law or principle. So whatever has been made, it is correct as per law or as per principle. Example sentence: we all are expected to uphold our family traditions. I regret I failed to uphold the responsibility of taking care of my parents. तो एक तरह से जब आप कहना चाहते हैं कि आप किसी जिम्मेदारी को निभाने या किसी रूल को फॉलो करने में कामयाब नहीं हुए या हुए, तब आप uphold का यूज करेंगे. Ambush. Ambush here is used as verb. Ambush means to hide and wait for someone in order to attack them. Example sentence: terrorists often ambush soldiers in POK. DSP was killed in an ambush. Mitigate. Meaning of mitigate is to make something less harmful or less unpleasant. Now I have a task for you. Before I tell you example sentence, you need to tell me in the comment which form of mitigate is used in both sentences, whether it is used as noun, verb, adverb or an adjective. Example sentence: nature lovers should take some serious steps to mitigate the effect of global warming. Having ginger tea can mitigate the effect of cough and cold. Do you know the meaning of ruminate? Ruminate means to think carefully and for a long period of time over something. Here it is used as verb. Example sentence: he ruminated for a week whether he should tell his parents about his relationship or not. After ruminating for almost a year, I decided to quit my job. Another one is very interesting one. Exaggerate. Exaggerate is used here as verb. It means to make something seem larger, better or even worse than what really it is. So that means किसी भी बात को बहुत ही बढ़ा चढ़ा कर बोलना, ये अच्छे तरह से भी हो सकता है और बुरे तरह से. So you can use it in positive way also or negative way also. Example sentence: she has habit of exaggerating everything. Don't exaggerate. The party wasn't that bad. Next word is blemish. Blemish means a mark on your face that can affect your appearance, or it can also mean a mistake or a fault that can affect your image. So now again I have a task for you. You need to tell me whether this word is used as verb or noun in upcoming example sentences. Some women wear heavy makeup to cover up their skin blemishes. This secret can blemish your reputation amongst public. Wrath. Wrath here is noun and wrath means extremely angry. So that means आग बबूला जब कोई हो जाता है. Example sentence: the students were not entering the class so as to avoid their teacher's wrath. Foreshadow. Foreshadow means when something suggests the happening of any future event. Example sentence: the third wave of COVID was foreshadowed by people's behavior and people's carelessness. Development of artificial intelligence may foreshadow the job loss in future. Another one is havoc. How do we say that? Havoc. It is noun here. It means in Hindi pralay. So extreme destruction is havoc. Example sentence: since last 2 years, this pandemic has caused havoc in our lives. The havoc in the city is the result of massive earthquake. Anticipate. Anticipate is to think about the result of something in advance. In these sentences, it is used as noun. WHO anticipated second wave of COVID long back. Don't anticipate the result of campaign. Let's give it a try. Another word is concise. Concise means brief. Prepare a concise report on whatever has happened in the meeting. Here is my concise report on recent tragedy. Diminish. Diminish means to reduce in size or maybe in importance. Example sentence: the threat of COVID was diminishing, so government decided to reopen the school. The demand for wooden toys has almost been diminishing in today's era. Coherent. Coherent is adjective here. So it means when you are able to express your ideas clearly so that people can understand you. So अगर आप coherent हो, आपके जो भी ideas हैं वो automatically, reasonably और logically लोग उससे connect कर पाएंगे. Example sentence: I prefer more practice before my presentation so that I can be more coherent. I'm not convinced. Please come up with coherent plan next time. Perplex. Now perplex means when something causes you to be confused or not sure about something. जब कोई चीज आपको confuse करती है. Example sentence: in the initial stages, the COVID symptoms perplexed the doctors. I am perplexed due to his strange behavior. Now you guess and tell me in the comment in which form I have used perplex in both these sentences. So do let me know about your feedback on this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you so much for watching me. I'll see you soon with one more video.